Everyone, trying to download images from Google but nothing is happening? No save option, download failing, or the image just won't load? It's frustrating, but don't worry, it's completely fixable. Let's go through the fastest fixes. First, why does this happen? Usually it's because of a corrupted browser cache, extensions blocking downloads, wrong download settings, weak internet, protected images, disabled JavaScript, or just a temporary glitch. Let's fix it step by step. First, try the basic method. Open Google Images, click the image, wait for it to fully load, then right-click and select Save Image As. If that option isn't there, click Visit Page and try saving it directly from the original website. Next, clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete, select All Time, check cached files and cookies, then clear data. Restart your browser and try again. This fixes most issues instantly. Now, disable extensions. Ad blockers, VPNs, or download tools can block images. Go to Extensions, turn them all off, then try downloading again. If it works, turn them back on one by one to find the problem. Also, check your download settings. Go to Browser Settings, then Downloads, and make sure files are saving to the correct folder. You can also turn on Ask Where to Save, so you always know where your images go. Another quick fix, enable JavaScript. Go to your browser settings and make sure JavaScript is turned on. If it's off, images may not download properly. If it's still not working, try another browser like Edge or Firefox, or switch to your phone. This helps you figure out if the problem is your browser or your device. And if the image is protected and won't download, just take a screenshot. Crop it, save it, and you're done. Simple and effective. And that's it. Try right-click, clear cache, disable extensions, check settings, enable JavaScript, switch browsers, or use a screenshot. One of these will fix your problem. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.